morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to perform an activity in which we are going to make sandwich without using fire. So, now we will see what all ingredients we need. Cucumber, tomato, onion. Next, mayonnaise. Next, black pepper, white salt, spreader, and main ingredient is bread. Now, we will take a slice of bread, spreader, and mayonnaise. We will apply the mayonnaise in full bread. Don't leave any corner. It's for flavor. It will add flavor in your sandwich, right? Now, after applying mayonnaise, we will apply 3 slices of tomato. 1, 2, and 3. Now, onion. After onion, we will apply cucumber. Right? Like this you will apply. After applying cucumber, we will sprinkle some black pepper for flavor and white salt. Just a pinch of white salt, not more than that. After that, we will cover this sandwich with second slice of bread. Our sandwich is prepared. Now, we will serve this sandwich with tomato ketchup. Your sandwich is ready. Now see, our sandwich is ready. Now taste it. It's very yummy. You also have to prepare it at home and eat it. I hope you enjoy. Now students, you also have to do the same presentation. Prepare a sandwich at home and share a short video through communication tab. Thank you.